Hi, first graders. We are on our third lesson of Unit 7. The title of this lesson is called Our Busy Day. If you're at home, you're going to need a scissors, some glue, and a piece of paper. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut out these clocks. Then you're going to want to split your paper into 4 sections. Okay. Then in each section, like in the corner, you're going to want to glue on your clock. Underneath your clock, you're going to write your time, showing the hours and the minutes. Then you're going to draw a picture showing what you would do at that time. Now keep in mind, it could be in the morning or in the evening, right? So maybe at 8 o'clock in the morning, what are you doing? Well, most of the time, you're at school. But if it's 8 o'clock in the evening, maybe you're brushing your teeth, maybe you're getting ready for bed. So you can think about, is it in the morning or is it in the evening? So we think about that as AM and PM. So I would like for you to do 4 of those out of the 12 that they give you. Choose 4 and follow those directions. Okay, then we're going to come to our workbook page. We have to read the clock and write the time on the digital clock. So you can see here, number 1, the hour hand is pointing to what? And the minute hand is pointing to what? Write in your hours and your minutes. Do the same thing for 2, 3, and 4. Okay, for numbers 5 through 10, you are going to be drawing the hour hand on the clock to show the time. So we've practiced this before. If you have a red, you can use a red. If you don't, that's fine. Okay, we have our minute hand pointing to the 12, which is 0 minutes, and that's when we say o'clock. Okay, and then here's our hour. We need to point to the 6. And remember, when we draw it, it has to be shorter than the minute hand. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. Good, please try that for the rest. On the back side, oops, can't see that very well. There we go. All right, for the back side, you need to fill in the numbers on the clock. Okay, and then choose an hour time. So it could be any time that you want. Make sure that the minute hand is pointing up to that 12 though, so we can say it's o'clock, and that's right on the hour. You're going to draw the hands to show the time. Make sure that the minute hand is longer than the hour hand. Then you're going to write the time in the digital clock. And you don't have to do this part. You can do that if you want. All right. So go ahead and finish up your workbook pages and the Our Busy Day activity, and then that's it for math today. Thank you, friends.